This is not a dance, this is a language, so let me teach you how to speak it. I'm President Crump, and this is KRUMP Tips from yours truly, Eyes.
Let's get bucked. Let's go, let's go. What's bucked, everybody? President Crump, back on Eyes Tips. How and when do I use speed? I love this question because speed is something that's so misused in Crump. And I gotta clear it up with my good friend, the jab. The jab is not the hand. The jab is the wrist to the forearm, going out and returning back. That is where the jab is. The jab is not the hand signals real fast to the front. The jab goes out and the jab returns. You're not supposed to see it until it returns. This is how we know how fast you are. I'm telling the Crump Nation, Crump is a loop. Whatever you dish out will return. The jab is a very good technique to find out when your return is, because it works quickly. Now the jab, it's like an energy drink. It will not carry you to the finish line. It'll just give you a quick boost. If you need a quick boost, say if you feel yourself lagging behind the music, or you feel nonchalant or a little casual, the jab will wake your machine up because it's like, give me a shot. So you have it as a mechanism to time you. Like, dang, did that return? I've had some jabs that went out. I didn't return them correctly, and they fumbled a little bit. And I had to turn them into something else. So I had to lab on, okay, how is my jab returning? What position is right for them to return in? Because I like to do my jabs in a certain direction at a certain pace, and I don't like people to see my pattern. So I have to clock that return. When you use speed whenever you want quick results. Do not depend and rely on this drink. Take your shot if you need it and keep moving. If you need a quick pickup, the jab will do it. If it's a timing issue, you can use your jab technically to fix your machine. Sometimes I have to, before I do a move, I have to fix my posture. I have to fix something. I have techniques that work to crump on the outside, and I have techniques that work on the inside. So if I'm in a position that I am not very comfortable in, I know how to make my machine technically work for me, fix my problem, troubleshoot. We put your arm placement up here, sir. Thank you. Now let's move. So now you have where speed is. It is in the wrist to the elbow, so the forearm. This is where you clock speed. How do you clock it? By the return. Who cares about how fast your jab goes out? Because I guarantee the return was sloppy. And most people been getting away with this for too long. And they made the jab look bad and gave my good friend a bad name. So I'm clearing his name now. The jab is just the mechanism used to clock speed. That's getting that return. To get quick energy and bring it back into home base. Bang. I need 2 shots, 2 jabs to the left. Now I am telling my machine according to my needs. Now I can feel what I want to feel. Oh, give me that double kick. Bang, bang. You'll see 2 jabs come out, and I'll be satisfied with that. I commanded that. That is how you use it. What do you want? You want some energy? Jab. It's not the hand signals. It's the wrist to the elbow. It's the forearm. Coming back, returning. That is how you know you've completed a jab. So you use it to clock your speed. You use it to get your energy quickly. And you also use it to chop certain parts of musicality. If I want you to hear this snare and this cymbal after it, I probably will use a jab. I can get it out there quick and cut that right out the music and serve it to you. So the jab has 3 functions. Speed has 3 functions. The jab is just the mechanism which speed works through. Speed for me, I get my timer right. Speed for energy, I need a couple shots. I need to expose this music now. Speed, chop it up for me. That is how and when to use your speed. All right, y'all, I'm out.
I'm President Crump, and this is KRUMP Tips from yours truly, Eyes.
Let's get buff. Let's go.